Just like fighter jets, bombers, and attack helicopters, military drones are now operated commonly across the world in conflicts. Today we will go through the top 10 military drones in the world. Let us begin. Number 10. TAI Aksungur, Turkey. Starting at number 10, Turkish manufactured Aksungur is an alternative to the General Atomics Reaper. It has been serving since October of 2021 and was delivered by the Turkish Naval Forces. It has been used within the Turkish Air Force as well as various military branches of several countries' armies. This medium-altitude, long-endurance UAV's range is 6,500 km and its speed is 2,050 km per hour. With a max flight altitude of 7,620 meters, the Aksungur has a takeoff weight of 3,300 kilograms. Number 9. Chengdu GJ2 Wingloon 2, China. Following the number 10 is the Chinese Wingloon 2. It has been proven in action as Pakistan, the United Arab Emirates, and Egypt purchased them for their militaries. This UAV has a takeoff weight of 4,200 kilograms. It can reach an altitude of 15,000 meters and it is equipped with a laser-guided missile. The maximum speed of Wingloon 2 is 370 km per hour with a cruise range of 10,000 kilometers. It has been in service since 2022. Number 8. Altair Sokol Altius, Russia. Another medium-altitude long-distance UAV, Altius, is number 8 on our list. It has been in development since 2011 and came into service in 2021. It was adopted by the Russian Air Force the same year. It has a takeoff weight of 8,000 kilograms. Often referred to by its manufacturer's name Altair, the Altius is a larger and heavier variant of its competitors with a speed of 250 km per hour. With its range of 10,000 kilometers, it has a maximum flight altitude of 12,000 meters. Number 7. Bayraktar TB2, Turkey. At number 7, we have the Turkish arms manufacturer Bayraktar TB2. This advanced fighter shines with its stealth and maneuverability. Its highest operating altitude is 9,144 meters with a range of 5,700 kilometers. It has a takeoff weight of 1,500 kilograms and a top speed of 1,111 kilometers per hour. Currently, with 2 prototypes on hand, its expected entry to service is in the year 2025. Number 6. Hongdu GJ11, China. At number 6, we have another Chinese aircraft, Hongdu GJ11. Nicknamed Lijiang, Chinese for Sharp Sword, the GJ11 was showcased at the Airshow China exhibition in October 2021. Reportedly improving the stealth ability of the aircraft, enabling agile and high-speed maneuvers, a missing tail draws attention. This exquisite UAV has a takeoff weight of 20,215 kilograms. Specifications report that its range is 4,000 kilometers and it is able to achieve a top speed of 1,000 kilometers per hour. Number 5. Bayraktar TB2, Turkey. At number 5, we have another Turkish-made UCAV developed by Baykar, the Bayraktar TB2. This medium-altitude, long-endurance aircraft has been intended for the Turkish Armed Forces, which on the way has 600 units being constructed currently. It first came into service in 2014. Equipped with an advanced sensor package, TB2 can proficiently guide other assets, such as drones and missiles. It has a takeoff weight of 700 kilograms and a range of 200 kilometers. It can reach a maximum flight altitude of 7,620 meters. TB2 can guide assets to targets while successfully remaining beyond the opposing defensive system's reach with a speed of 222 kilometers per hour. Number 4. Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik B, Russia. Coming in at number 4 is Russia's first ever stealth combat drone, which is a continuation of an earlier MiG project called SCAT. Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik drone is expected to fly at a maximum speed of 1,000 km per hour. It can access a range of 6,000 km. This UAV stands out by having a takeoff weight of 25,000 km and a 6,000 km operation range. It can reach a top speed of 1,000 km per hour. Currently operating with only 2 operational prototypes of Okhotnik B, this UAV is designed to operate alongside the Su-57 5th generation fighter jet. With its first flight in 2019, it is set to enter into service within the Russian Air Force by the year 2025. Number 3. XQ-58A Valkyrie, USA. The top 3 on our list start with Valkyrie from the United States. Valkyrie was essentially designed as a support to fighter jets. It relies on direct operators or onboard AI. Some of its talents are scouting the battlefield, engaging the targets, and being used as a sacrifice to shield the human-crewed aircraft. This unit comes with a takeoff weight of 2,722 kilograms and a maximum range of 5,600 kilometers. It has a top speed of 1,050 km per hour and a maximum service altitude of 13,715 meters. Number 2. BAE Systems Taranis, the Sol Iran, United Kingdom and France. The second place on our list, the Taranis, is one of the most advanced flying stealth UAVs in the world. Developed by the partnership of 2 European manufacturers, the French Dassault Aviation and the British BAE Systems, this combat drone has a very extended operational capability. Initially intended to be supersonic, the Taranis had its first flights in 2012. It has a flight altitude of 14,000 meters and a top speed of 980 km per hour. Its takeoff weight is 7,000 kilograms. Since 2020, the Taranis have been integrated into several military branches and operations in the United Kingdom. Number 1. Boeing MQ-28 Ghostbat, Australia. At the top of our list, number 1 is the Ghostbat, developed by Boeing Australia. It is expected to be capable of communicating with 6th generation bombers and fighters. The Ghostbat weighs 1,500 kilograms, and it performs in a range that goes beyond 3,700 kilometers. It can serve in intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance operations with integrated sensor packages. Having had its first flight in 2021, the Ghostbat will be operational in the Royal Australian Air Force sometime between 2024 and 2025.